Well, can you believe it? There's just over a month to go before the 2013 Tissot Australian MotoGP. And to get you in the mood, we're here at Phillip Island. The weather guides have been pretty good, but we've got the Mick Doohan ride day. Let's get inside and see how the boys are going.
That is full on, man. My freaking head nearly blew off.
It was just amazing, and I've never done anything else like that before in my life.
Trying to deal with the fear of going that fast and being that close to the ground, then slamming the brakes on and then accelerating and then, oh, wow.
I thought if you're going to let go on the straight so you do land in the ocean.
I'd been told that it was an amazing experience, but nothing prepares you for that.
You got a whole new world of respect for how he stays on that bike for so long in a proper race.
It was just insane.
So it's all unfolding here at Phillip Island. Make sure you get your tickets. It is going to be an awesome event here, and you can get them at the Australian MotoGP website. That is motogp.com.au. Get booking now.